The wind is cranking today. First fish is a schoolie. Look at that guy. Little schoolie. Ate this freaking big bait. Get back in, fishing here once again. The wind is cranking today, so it's going to be pretty tough managing my kayak. So that's a nice one. Touched on my counts. There we go. Fatty. This wind is brutal today, guys. Not little, just fat, chunky fish right there. Get back in. Big fish on. I don't know what this is, but it's big. Oh, please don't come off. It's huge. This fish is huge. I can't even move him. It's by a pike. I think it's a pike. Oh my God. Ooh. That's a big fish. Wow. Oh my God. He is big. He's going for my PDL. Hey, get him in quick. I can't. Oh man, no, I don't know. Oh my God. Come here. Oh, I had to grab him friggin' by his side. Jesus Christ. I can't believe you just landed that thing. Whew. Wow. Ow. Oh yeah, he wasn't getting off. Look at that thing. That's a monster pike in my area. That's a giant. That's a giant. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. That thing is massive. Massive fish. Massive fish. Oh my God. Yeah, I could shot at that. Oh no, that's a nice bass. He's just fighting. It felt like a schoolie. Oh yeah. Actually, oh, flip him in the boat. Wind calmed down a lot, guys. I mean, the wind was crazy. There we go. Another keeper. A little slow day, I think, because of that friggin' wind. That one was friggin' crazy. Oh yeah, I got a hit there just before too. Ooh. He's good. Got him now. That's a nice one there. Get him back in. That's a fat chunker. Man, guys, today was a brutal day for conditions. I mean, it was warm out, but there you go. Nice keeper, but it was just that wind was shutting everything off today, except that giant pike and these couple bass. All right, guys, not a bad one. Probably maybe one of the last fish of the day. Get him back in. Man, right? I got a ton of hits in there. Is he snagged? No, he's just fighting that good. Oh, he engulfed it. Yeah, he engulfed that thing. We'll get this guy on a hook, guys. I'm gonna try to get him hooked quick. I think there's a little school in there, little pods. That's what we need. Here we go, guys. Good one here. Nice fish. I'm gonna get him unhooked. Get him. All right, guys, that's it for today. Very tough day. I mean, Great size pike. That's one of my biggest pike today. That thing is a beast. And that fish almost had an 11-inch head. That's how big it was. Big pike. It was giant. It was giant pike. And it was a couple of bass. It was a good day. Very tough day, like conditions wise. The wind was ripping. You seen that pike? It was ripping, but great day. But I'm gonna continue this probably at the same lake, maybe a different one, but probably mostly the same lake, the home lake. So I'll see you guys back out on the water. Got hooked. Got hooked. There we go. I was getting a little nervous for a second. First one, nice. Not a bad fish at all. Wow. Get him on hook, guys. He's hooked really good on top of his mouth. Hopefully we get some nice fish today. Nice one. Nice hook, perfect. There you go. Nice one. A little slow start, but maybe we'll start getting them. A little slow. His leg, I think, is working a little bit, so which kind of gets me a little worried. They might not hit as great, but he did engulf this though. So right bait is just maybe not a whole lot hit. Ooh, hook just popped out nice. You want to jump? Nope, maybe not. Ooh, actually got me wet all the way up back here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice fish. Man, he engulfed it again. Get him back in. Nice fish. He hit like a freaking little bluegill. Nice. Nice one. Sunfish family. The largemouth bass. Go. He's coming out now. There we go. Another nice keeper. There we go. Nice keeper. Nice, nice, nice. Now we're starting to get him a little bit. You don't jump. Oh, no, maybe not. There we go. Schoolie. That's a schoolie. A bass that's under 12 inches. That's my term. I'm gonna get him back in. Little guy. My freaking lure is in a twig and fell in the water, and this guy smoked it. Nice one of the day, too. Oh, yes. That's the nicest one of the day right there. Here we go. Very nice fish. Oh, my thumb. My thumb has hurt me so bad. Oh my god. Oh, it's right here. That's a schoolie. Man, he felt bigger though. No, that's probably a keeper. Looks like a schoolie. There you go. Nice one. Right in the sun, I can't see. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my god. Yeah. He got unhooked from his mouth and hooked right there. Wow. Wow. Yeah. I don't know how that happened. That's a nice one. Very nice fish. I can't believe that just happened. Wow. Not cows, guys. Always cast at them. Ooh. There we go. Nice. Oh, nice one. Wow. You want to get back in. Just saw how high this fish jumped. I wish I had that on video. Wow. I never had a largemouth jump that high in my life before. Well, I have, but damn, he jumped good. He's a jumper. Oh, nice. Wow. This is the size that likes to jump. That like 12 to 14 inches. They jump like so high in the sky. Wow. Crazy how that fish jumped. Fish fighting. Oh yeah, it's a largie. Largie. Ow, that line went right through my cut. My thumb. Nice one, get him back in. This guy's fighting good for his size. Look at that guy. That's a nice one. Oh yes. That's a nice one. Get him back in. Good day. Good day. A little slow start, but I'm getting to him. Oh man, it counts. I touched him. It counts. But ooh, if you touch him, it counts. Touch him, it counts. Yep, I touched him. I can't land him today, man. There we go, finally. There we go. Nice fish. Get him in. Ooh. Or maybe he's gut hooked. Might be just gut hooked. He's coming at me. Oh! I thought he was definitely bigger. Yeah! Ooh, got my deal. Ah! Nice one. Nice one there. I thought he was big. Get this guy on the hook, guys. Good hook set. He thumped this thing. A lot of head shakes. Ooh. Touched him. He's barely hooked. Nice one. Just fighting for its size. Oh. Wow. He's bigger than I thought. He's a keeper, but... Oh, he almost went in my hand. Look at that. Perfect. My thumb is destroyed. It actually, I might need... There we go. Nice one. Get him back in. That's a nice one. Whoa. Yes! Aha! I think this is the same fish I caught the other day. No way. I think it might be. I don't know. About the same size. Damn, this might be the same fish. Get him back in. That is the same fish. I swear it's the same fish. Hey, that's what catch and release does. That's funny. Huh, I think it is. I don't know. They do jump, man. Ah, that's a nice one there. Oh yeah, he was hooked good. Side of the mouth how you want. Nice keeper. Shit, he's way back there. You got him. Oh, the hook just popped out. What? The hook just popped out. Like as soon as I grabbed them. Boing. Holy shit. Oh, that's a pike. I see it's a pike. Yep, it's a pike. I seen him. I seen it, alright. Oh yeah. Yep. Might be the last fish of the day. Yes. There we go. That's been the average we've been catching this. Barely hooked. Wow. Oh my god. Nice fish. I'm trying to hold them up for the camera, but they don't like to be held up, I mean. There we go. Nice pike. There he goes. Nice. That most likely will probably be the last fish of the day. Alright guys, that's it for today. 2 really good days. Actually, that day where you saw me catch one of my biggest pike, that was a while back. That was like 2 weeks ago. That was long ago. But a good day. That was a good day. Caught that really nice pike. Then today was a really good day. Good bass action. That nice pike right at the end. But again, really, really good fish. I can't complain. But finesse fishing techniques, like always, I'm using. And yeah, just great day. Great fish. Big fish 2 days. Especially that one. That pike was one of my biggest pike I ever caught. One of the craziest fights, honestly. Crazy. But hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.